Welcome everyone. This is Dina from Mark's Group Live. Happy to be reviewing with you how to use Zoho Desk on a day-to-day basis. After the video is over, feel free to email us at support@marksgrouplive.com for any questions on this subject or anything else Zoho. Be sure to rate this class as well, helping out your fellow Zoho users as well as us to improve the video library. Here are some of the main points we'll be discussing today. First, you can select the way you view the tickets you need to work within Zoho Desk. You can contact customers directly through Zoho Desk via email, chat, or social media, and you can attach articles to your customer communication. Let's go into Zoho Desk so I can show you a little bit more. So I'm on the tickets section and I'm in views, and here you can see your tickets. Now if you click up here on the my tickets, where I have my tickets in the down arrow, you could see that there are different views. So right now this is all of my tickets. If you want to just work your open tickets, you can choose open tickets. If you want to look at your on hold tickets to follow through on those, you could do that. And if you're part of a team and you want to be able to help out, you can just go to my team's open tickets and then you would be able to see that here. For now, I'll just go to my open tickets just to show you. There's also different views you can use. So this is more of like a list view, or what they call the classic view. And then you can also do the view like this so that you can see in more of a Kanban type of way what tickets are open, what tickets are escalated, and just get a better idea of the status of this. So if we were to go into the open one, you can see that you have a lot of information here when you go in. You have the customer information in the middle at the top. You have who it's assigned to, which is you, which would be you. You have the status, and as you work this, you can decide you need to research this a little bit more, or the customer has contacted you in another way, and you can put it on hold. If you find it needs to be escalated, you can do that, or closed. And then you have the phone number, the product name if you have that, the priority, and any classifications that you may have. So you can see first that there's a conversation here. So most likely this was from a chat. This is quite a while ago. And you can see the resolution of the issue was outlined here. And then the customer can go in and rate you as well. You have the resolution tab, and here is where you can note the resolution that was put in. Time entry is where if you wanted, if you were required to track your time manually as you come into a ticket, you can just click on the plus and you can get some information around that. And then here at the top next to tags, you can start the timer here as well. And then you can decide the cost in case this gets expensed or anything like that. If you have some attachments that you want to add to the ticket, you can always click on here. You can either take files that you have either on your computer or from the cloud, maybe something from the website that you want to attach for them. Activity, if there was a follow-up activity you had for this, you needed to maybe call them back in a later time, you can set that out, or if they're expected to call back in, you can put that in here as well. And then if there were any approvals, you can send for approval as needed. And then there are some more actions. You can edit the ticket, you can move the department of the ticket, you can share it, you can follow it, mark it as spam, etc. So if we go back out to open tickets, we also have one that had been escalated. And if we open this one came in just through a ticket, so you can't see the conversation because it really hasn't been one yet. You can add some comments here. Resolution, I put in a resolution before. You can always edit that resolution. You can save, you can add an article to it, you can notify the contact. Time entry, did 1 second. That was when I clicked the timer before. And then you can always determine if you want to edit whether this time was non-billable or billable. And then again, activity, and then the approval and any history on this account. And you can see the history here is that it was a new ticket was submitted. The information's here. 10 minutes ago, the contact was notified about the resolution. Then the ticket was updated, added a follower, etc. Added some different items to it. And you can always filter the history so you can see what's going on here as well. The other thing is maybe you need to, go into the contact themselves, so you can go into a contact. If you know something, you can see they have an overdue ticket, and you can click on that ticket to get to it, and then do what you need to do with the ticket from there. Bring it into the tickets and action it as well. So you can edit it, you can discard it, you can send it, comment on it. And then another thing you can do is that when you're in the middle of a ticket, you may need to remote assist. So you can you can configure your system so that you can remote assist and go onto their computer screen and be able to fix or resolve the issue directly there as well. So just to go back here, if you're using this on a day-to-day basis, you would have your open tickets. You can, save this again as any view that you'd like, depending on what you're doing for the day. But this is where all of your tickets would be. You can access the knowledge base if you're not sure how to resolve the problem. You can check your activities, or create activities. You can go into the community. You can add a Twitter account. You can chat. And then you can always go into a customer. And if they have information, social media information, you can communicate with them directly. So just to do some takeaways here again, as you can see, you can select the way you view the tickets so you can work in the way that's best suited for you. You can contact customers directly through Zoho Desk via email, chat, or social media to resolve the ticket. And you can attach articles to your customer communication, either through the knowledge base or something on your computer or a website, etc. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out our library for other training videos like this one. And if you have any suggestions for other classes or questions you may have about Zoho, please email us at support@marksgrouplive.com. Thanks for watching.